Very good morning, student. This is Rahul Garg, your maths teacher. Student, today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 12, and the name of chapter is Heron's formula. Heron's is the name of mathematician which gives an important formula, and that's why it is known as Heron's formula. Before going on Heron's formula, let's discuss the need of this formula. Student, Heron's formula is basically based on to find the area of triangle. Means it is used to find the area of triangle. Area of triangle. And student, you have learned the area of triangle, square, rectangle. And if my triangle is this right angle triangle, where right angle at B, say ABC, and my BC is 4 meter and AB is 3 meter and AC is 5 meter, then how we will find the area of this right angle triangle? You already learned that area of triangle is half into base into height. तो आप कहेंगे सर ये तो हमें आता है, मुझे पता है बच्चों कि आपको ये फॉर्मूला आता है, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. तो हाफ here base is 4 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter, then the area will be 6 meter square. Sorry, the unit is meter, and base is 4 meter and height is 3 meter, then area will be 6 meter square. Take another situation in which we are not given right angle triangle. Say this is my triangle PQR and OP is perpendicular bisector of QR, and QO is 5 meter and OR is 5 meter and PQ is 10 meter and PR is also 10 meter. Now how you will find the area of this triangle? Now student, you know that this is my equilateral triangle and the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, but we are not going with this formula. We simply apply Pythagoras on POQ. This is my right angle, so this is my right angle triangle POQ, and when we apply Pythagoras, this will become 10 square equals 5 square plus OP square, because according to Pythagoras theorem, base square plus height square equals hypotenuse square. Base plus perpendicular equals hypotenuse square. Base square perpendicular square equals hypotenuse square. Now on solving, this will become 100, this 25 and OP square. Now OP square will be 100 minus 25 equals 75. Now OP will be square root of 75, which is 25, means 5 root 3 meter. Now apply formula of area, that is half into base. Now base is my QR, that is 10 meter, into height, that is OP, which is 5 root 3. Now this will become 25 root 3. This is my area of triangle PQR. Now what will happen if we doesn't know the value of height, or we can't find the value of height? Say in this triangle, that is ABC, in which AB is say BC say 18 and my AC is 14 and AB is 10. Now how you will find the area of this triangle ABC? Now we can't apply this formula, that is half into base into height, because we can't find the value of height by simple way. We can find, but this will be a very lengthy, because we can find if we let that there is a perpendicular which is from x distance, but this will be very typical for us. So here we will use the Heron's formula concept. Before this, let's start with some terms related to Heron's formula. Now in Heron's formula, first we will consider perimeter. Now student, if this is my triangle, say A, B, C, and this is A unit and AC is B unit and AB is C unit. Now the perimeter will be, and you know the meaning of perimeter or circumference is the boundary, the length of this boundary, means A plus B plus C. This is my perimeter. Now what will be the semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter, which is denoted by S. Semi means half, means half of the perimeter will be A plus B plus C divided by 2. Now Heron's formula said that area of triangle whose sides are A, B, C is area of this triangle ABC whose sides are A, B, C is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the area of triangle ABC whose sides are A, B and C, where A, B, C are the length of the sides and S is semi-perimeter. Now again discuss this problem in which we have this is 18 meter and this is 14 meter, this is 10 meter. Now first find the semi-perimeter. Now S will be A plus B plus C divided by 2. Now 18 plus 10 38 plus 4 28 plus 4 32, 42 divided by 2, which equals 21 meter. Now my semi-perimeter is 21 meter. Now apply formula for area, which is square root of S, that is 21 into S minus A, that is 18, S minus A, S minus B, that is 14 into S minus C, that is 10 meter. Now this will become 21 into 3 into 7 into 11. Now this is 21 into 21 into 11. When we will solve this square root, this will become 21 root 11. And the value of root 11 approximately it equals 3.3. And the area will be 69.3 मीटर स्क्वायर. स्टूडेंट यूनिट्स का स्पेशली ध्यान रखना है कि किसी भी क्वेश्चन में जब भी हम आंसर को मेंशन कर रहे हैं तो हमें यूनिट जरूर लिखनी है उस चीज़ की. जैसे एरिया की यूनिट मीटर स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर होती है, तो यहाँ पे मीटर की अगर हमारी लेंथ मीटर में है तो हमारी जो यूनिट है वो मीटर स्क्वायर में होगी। अगर यहीं पे मेरी जो एक साइड है उसकी यूनिट सेंटीमीटर में मेंशन होती है तो हम क्या करते हैं, उस यूनिट को पहले एक पर्टिकुलर यूनिट में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं। या तो हम सारी यूनिट को सेंटीमीटर में रखेंगे या फिर सारी यूनिट को मीटर में रखेंगे, फिर उसके बाद सॉल्व करेंगे और एंड में हमारी यूनिट जरूर मेंशन करेंगे। दैट इज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज 69.3 मीटर स्क्वायर। You can also solve these sum with the formula of Heron's formula. Let's start. Our first sum was, that is, this is 4 meter, this is 3 meter and this is 5 meter. Now apply Heron's formula. First find semi-perimeter, that is 5 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 2. This will become 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Now area is square root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Substitute the value of s, a, b and c. S is 6, 6 minus a that is 5, 6 minus b that is 4, 6 minus c that is 3. Now solve this. This will become 6 into 1 into 2 into 3. And this is 6 2s are 12, 3s are 36 and the square root of 36 is 6 and this will become 6 meter square. And by the formula of half into base into height the answer was 6 meter square, and by Heron's formula this is also 6 meter square. If we know the height then we will apply half into base into height, or otherwise if we can't find the value of height we will apply Heron's formula. Okay student, thank you student, have a nice day.